Hi guys. Sorry that my voice is a little like scratchy because I just practically lost my best friend. So, yeah. Yeah, so I'm pretty sad about that. So, I just found out today, and she's leaving tomorrow, and she won't be at school tomorrow, so I'm practically crying right now, so. Anyways, so I'm just making this video right now because I'm really bored, and I have practically 34 minutes until my mom gets home. So yeah. But I am pretty sad. Let's see how many autographs I have. My look just looks really weird. I just bought it yesterday. I don't know why. And I'm going to text my dad to get me the new diamond pack because I get every diamond pack. So, yeah. I'm going to text him right now. And I told him that I lost my best friend. He's like, oh, whatever. Well, it's not the end of the world. You'll make new friends because I'm reading it right now. And it's like, no. It will not be okay. It's like losing a person from your family. It's like, no, you won't get over it. You can't get over it. You can't freaking get over it. Okay, I'm gonna text my dad. Can you get me the new diamond pack? Or should I do it? Okay. Yeah, I'm only asking that question if I should do it because he's at work and my parents are divorced. Okay, yeah, divorced. My parents are divorced, and yeah, I don't live with my dad. But I see my best friend every other weekend. This weekend was my mom though. And if I walk in my classroom tomorrow, and I look at my best friend's old seat, I'm gonna be starting the waterworks. So, yeah. And yeah, I'm color trading Miss Goldie's. So, message me for that because I really don't like my Miss Goldie. My Miss Goldie is original and brown. I hate it. I hate it. I wish I could have my dark blue one back because I traded with this girl. I forgot what OG brown was, and she didn't put it on or anything, but we traded anyway. So, yeah, I'm pretty sad right now. So, yeah, I was just, looking at my amazing Roblox account. So, yeah, these are some of my friends. So, yeah. And yeah, I just got home from school. I was crying my eyeballs out on the bus, and I would not talk to anybody. So, yeah, that's practically what I've been through today. But I got candy from my math teacher, so this is only a good part of the day right now. And I was earlier watching a science video. It's like, are you gonna play the mouse song? Because he said he was gonna play like some weird mouse song, and then he literally grabbed my hand, made it into a cup, and then poured candy into my hand. And then he's like, go sit down and make notes. I'm like, okay. So I ate the candy and I made notes. I actually didn't make notes. I was drawing. And then my friend let me copy her because she sat right next to me. So, yeah. Yeah! If you look at my avatar, I look terrible. I'm gonna let you see it. No, that still covers it. Here we go. That's my outfit right now. Look at those eyelashes. Ooh. Ooh, so weird. Yeah, but like, whatever. My dad still hasn't texted back, probably because he's at work. He's probably working on a car. So, I'm gonna wait for him to respond. Cause just look at this. Just look at this amazing, just amazing. It's amazing. That dress, oh, top notch. And the shoes, meh. And that is like, love it. Ooh, yes. And the hair is just amazing. And a flying, like, seahorse. I don't know what that is. I think it's a seahorse. I don't know. What color you got? If she says, like, a black one or, like, a dirty blonde one. A dirty blonde? I really want a dirty blonde one. I actually have brown hair in real life. Yeah. So, I don't know why I keep on doing this. I just keep on doing it. Cause, yeah, I don't know why. There we go, doing it again. Yeah, I got me some little Dr. Pepper. I'm waiting for her to respond because if she doesn't respond, I'm gonna freaking like be really mad because I really want to color shade Miss Goldie's. Also, this is my MSP daughter. Like, go friend her. Yes. She's also a fan of mine because I just started YouTube like what, a month ago? 3 weeks ago? Yeah, but she became a fan. She was actually my first fan, because once I put this in my bio, she went to it, and she said, post a YouTube video I really want to watch, so I did, and that was my first YouTube video. The first YouTube video, is, wait, no, I'll put the link in the description so you can just, like, watch that video. Or you can just go on and look at my first video, which it was, what was it called? Trying to think of it. Drip Top Glitch with my bestie Taylor. Yeah, that was it. Drip Top Glitch with my bestie Taylor. Yeah, that was my first video. OG Brown. One trade. If she says yes, I'm gonna be like, yes. Because I really want a blonde one. Oh. I'll send her the trade. Even if she doesn't want to trade, I'm gonna try anyways. Get that out of here! Yeah, I have a dirty blonde sorbet, so she's wearing a sorbet right now. And yeah, I forgot what hair that's called. And on UK, I have I think it was Ice Queen hair. Yeah, I think it was Ice Queen hair. But I'm gonna find my Miss Goldie first, and then I'm gonna show you. So yeah, and I got winter cheeks. Yes. Wait, 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 wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. The frick. The frick. You look like a sick. You look like a sex slave, like bruh, but a guy. Yeah, that's Diamond Pack. That's the one that I used to wear like a lot, right there. Yeah, I traded it. Oh, oh. It's probably at the very back because my Miss Goldie's at the very back in my hairs, so it's like literally on the last page. Oh! Ow! I was about to do the splits and that really hurt. Oh crap. Oh! 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 Yeah, I have like a lot of stuff. No, I don't care. I don't have a wish list. I literally don't even have a wish list. Like, look at my star coins and my diamonds, girl. And I got my VIP piggy bank, which is like practically full because it got like 800 something diamonds in there. So, yeah, I've been saving up because I've gotten so many diamonds from getting a bunch of diamond packs. So, like, yes. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, sorry, I'm back. I left for like a few minutes because like personal stuff. Oh my gosh, 10 minutes till my mom gets off. Then my dad texts me back. No. Let's call him. Phone's ringing. I don't think he's gonna pick up though. Oh, drink time. Come on, pick up. Hi. Can I have the new diamond pack? It's a new diamond pack and it's really cute. Nope. As always, 45. That's gonna be the only diamond pack for a while, because it's not gonna change for a while. Okay, well, I'm gonna do it. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Okay, yeah, that was my dad. So he said I could do it, but I'm gonna log in on my phone. So I'm still be talking to you because I can only do the diamond pack on my phone because it won't work. It won't work. It won't work. So yeah, you're gonna see me logging out. Oh no, I'm on my UK. No, log out. No. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Okay, yeah, password. No. subscribe.